Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify internet expense allocation for home office in FreshBooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the expenses section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Add Expense button to start entering a new expense. Select Internet as the category for the expense. Fill in the details of the expense, including the date and amount. Attach any relevant receipts or documents to support your entry. Once all details are entered, click Save to store the expense. To verify your internet expense allocation, go back to the Expenses section. Look for the internet expense you just entered in the list. Click on the expense to open its details. Review the information to ensure it reflects the correct amount and category. Check if the attached documents are accurate and complete. To confirm that this expense is allocated correctly for your home office, go to the Reports section. Select the Profit and Loss report to see your overall income and expenses. Look for the internet expense in the breakdown to ensure it appears under the right category. Make any necessary adjustments if the expense is misclassified. After reviewing the report, ensure it aligns with your overall business expenses. If needed, consult with a tax professional for guidance on home office deductions. This process will help ensure your internet expense is accurately recorded and allocated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.